Chicken Kondattam is a spicy Malabar dish made using dry red chilies known as Kondattam in South India. Hello friends, welcome back to another video of Passion to Cook. Myself, Shruti Shammi. I'm going to begin by marinating the chicken pieces. I've taken 1 kg of chicken. The ingredients for marination are salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, mix all the ingredients and also add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Allow the chicken to rest for at least 1 hour. If possible, go for overnight marination as this can make the chicken more tender. While the chicken is resting, I have to get ready with my other ingredients. The main highlight of this dish is the dry red chilies. I have soaked 4 Kashmiri red chilies in water for an hour. I'm going to coarsely grind it. Once done, set aside. After 1 hour of marination, we are all set for frying the chicken. You can either shallow fry or deep fry them, it's up to you. Keep it in a low to medium flame and fry until it's golden brown on both the sides. Transfer the fried chicken pieces to a kitchen towel to absorb excess oil. Now we are done with the frying. To the same pan, I am adding 1 cup of chopped shallots. Saute it for a while and add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add in some green chilies and curry leaves. Next goes in the coarsely grinded dry red chili, almost 2 tablespoons. The next ingredient that goes in is 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Saute until the raw smell of chilies goes off. Then add in the spices. I've taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Keep stirring and add enough salt. Finally, add in the fried chicken pieces. Now the chicken kondattam is ready. This dish goes very well with rice and parathas. I hope you all enjoyed this firecracker chicken recipe. It is a great appetizer and also a main dish to have along with rice. Spice lovers, don't forget to try this out. Also leave your experience. I will be coming with more and more interesting videos, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.